Richie and we're standing across the road from Tower 42, which is the 5th largest skyscraper in London, in the UK, and the tallest in London. It's 183 metres tall. It was built in 1979 and opened up in 1980 as the NatWest Tower. And the NatWest Tower is built from the sky as if it's the NatWest logo. They were bombed in 1993 by the IRA, and then they left the building to some other people. But now there's a bar right at the top. It's a champagne bar. It's not cheap, but at 50 metres higher than the London Eye, it's a great place to go. Have some champagne if you're over 18, that is. You can't go there if you're under 18. If you don't drink and you're over 18, you can have a non-fruit cocktail for a £5 plus service charge at 12.5%. And you have these stunning views. So check out the stunning views with me right now with commentary or just with music.